Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about Python program for factorial of a given number using recursion. It is one of the most important program in Python. First of all, what is a recursion? Recursion is nothing but the process of calling the same function by itself is called as a recursion. The important application of recursion is factorial calculation, Fibonacci series calculation. Now, we have to write the program for factorial of a given number using recursion in Python. First of all, we have to read the given number from the keyboard. So, n is equal to int of input of enter the given number. Whatever the number we have to find out the factorial, that number can be read from the keyboard. To read the number from the keyboard, we have to use input function. Input function is used for reading the input from the keyboard. The input function can be taken whatever the value that are entered from the keyboard as a string. To convert that string value into integer, we have to use int. After converting, that value can be assigned to the variable n. Now we have to check if n value is less than 0. We have to print factorial of a given number does not exist. Factorial of a given number does not exist. Next one. Else, if n value is less than 0, we can say that factorial of a given number does not exist. Go to the else part. Else is nothing but if n value is greater than 0. At that time, the factorial of a given number exists. So then, factorial of a given number is, we have to call the function factorial of n. We have to pass the parameter n in the calling function factorial of n. This is the calling function. Now, whenever a function is calling, then the control goes to the called function. Here we have to write called function def factorial of n. Here we have to put colon. Every called function starts with the def. After that, function name is factorial and the parameter is n. After that, we have to put colon. Next one, if n value equal to 0. If n value equal to 0, what is the factorial of 0? That is 1. So that we have to return 1. Next one. If n value is 1, then what is the factorial? Factorial of 1 is 1. We have to write elif n equal to 1. So 1 factorial is 1. Return 1. Suppose if n value is greater than 1, so then we have to write return n into factorial of n minus 1. N minus 1. So this is the recursive function. Here the function name is a factorial. The same function is calling in the body by itself is called as a recursive function. Function name is calling in the definition of the function by itself is called as a recursive function. That process is called as a recursion. This is the simple program for finding out the factorial of a given number. Now we have to save this program. Save as. I am writing factorial of a number. Factorial of a number. Save. Now the program is saved. Now we have to run this program. Yes, the program is successfully running. Enter the given number. The given number value as 5. Factorial of a given number is 120. Again, we have to run the program. Enter the given number. Suppose I am giving 0. Factorial of a given number is 1. That is factorial of 0 is 1. Next, again we have to run the program. Enter the given number. Now I am giving 1. 1 factorial value is also 1. Again we have to run the program. Enter the given number. So here the given number is I am giving minus 5. So for the negative numbers, factorial does not exist. Factorial of a given number does not exist. Okay. So this is the simple program for finding out the factorial of a given number using a recursion. Okay. We are executing all the cases. If n value is 0, factorial of a given number is 1. If n value is 1, factorial of a given number is 1. If n value is negative number less than 0, that is minus 5, factorial of a given number does not exist. If n value is greater than 1, that is 5, factorial of a given number is 120. So this is the simple program for finding out the factorial of a given number using recursion. Thank you. Thank you one and all for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you really like these sessions, please forward this channel to your friends and classmates, and don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel Divvela Srinivasarao. If you have any doubts, please put your doubts in the comment section. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you. Thank you one and all for watching this video.